Horses and one slow out mobile, windy wind on orange and his jet setter slim. Racing in third, Analysis Touch moving up just in time on the outside. Holy Minstrel, Jamal comes next. Then followed over by Mr. Classmate chasing a dream, and Mobile is the early trailer. We have a windy wind, the leader by about 3 lengths. And in second is jet setter slim in between Horses, Analysis Touch alongside Port just in time. 3 lengths win for chasing a dream, Holy Minstrel, Mr. Classmate, Jamal, and Mobile still racing in last. That's still win the win by about 4 lengths. Jet Setter Slim remains in second, Analysis Touch in third. Chasing a dream down on the inside, Port, Holy Minstrel just in time. Mobile and on the outside, Mr. Classmate and Jamal. And that's still win the win by about 6 lengths. Jet Setter Slim remains in second, and in third, chasing a dream, Analysis Touch, Holy Minstrel, and Mobile. As they come down at the last 150, we have a win by about 3 lengths. Jet Setter Slim is down on the inside second, but it's still windy wind, followed by Jet Setter Slim in second, Mobile moving up Mr. Classmate, and nearing the finish line, it's windy wind. Second, Jet Setter Slim. Mr. Classmate, close, Analysis Touch, and number 3, that's Mobile.
6. Dikit tayo sa fourth, no?
Mm-hmm.
Between Mobile and